Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see another great mining platform. We can earn daily mining by this coin, and we can earn Bndx coin, guys. Okay, so daily we can earn this coin and make profit in this one, guys. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, just join our Telegram channel, Cryptotechviewz. This is our official Telegram channel, guys. Okay, so without any hesitate, let's get into the video, guys. This is a coin. Today we're gonna earn, okay, Bndx coin, guys. I'll share the link in the description. Just click on the link and open it. Okay, so you will be getting this page in the Play Store. Okay, so just download the app. Okay, just download the app, then click on open. Just download the app, then click on open, guys. Okay, once you open, just click on sign up. Okay, sign up with anything. You can sign up. Just enter your email ID, just enter your password, yes, enter my password, then clicking on sign up. Okay, clicking on sign up, so click I'm not a robot. Okay, click the chimneys, this one, yes, click on verify. Yes, guys, who is invited you? Okay, save. Okay, so enter the invitation code, so then only you will be getting some bonuses. So I'm entering the code. Yes, click on continue. Okay, so thank you for joining Bondex Origin. Please verify your email first. Okay, so I'm verifying my email. This is the thing, guys. Welcome to Bondex. Okay, so here we need to verify. Okay, click on the link and open it. So my account is got verified. Yes, right now we can sign in. Okay, enter my email ID, then entering my password. Yeah, I'm logging in. Yes, guys, once I log in, my account is open right now. Yes, okay, so I'm ready right now. Token rate, right now my earning rate is 0.01. Okay, 0.01 Bndx per hour. This is my earning rate now. Okay, so I can earn, but I can increase my mining rate also here. Okay, so click on this button. So Bndx jobs are coming soon. Okay, the notifications bell, come back. Okay, so click on the button. Okay, then click on this first button. So edit profile, my boost rate is here. Okay, I can increase my boost rate here. Okay, so just by doing all the things I can increase my boost rate. Okay, so edit profile. Okay, so here I can add my profile picture, intro video, details, everything. If I am adding, my boost rate will be increasing. Okay, so after that, here boost rate is right now 0. Okay, I can add to up to the end. Okay, so I can verify my profile and experience everything. If I'm adding, my boost rate will be increasing. Okay, so after that, just click on start earning now. Okay, industry, where are we working for? Okay, just click on something. Okay, customer support, sub industry, community management. Okay, click on just next, full-time jobs, next, yes, click on S and next, for just 2017, next, yes, click on S. Okay, click on USDT. Okay, next, done. That's it, close. So my earning rate is started here. Okay, right now 1 hour I will be getting 0.01 Bndx coin, guys. Okay, so daily you can earn a lot of coins in this platform. Okay, after that, once you reach the daily limit, you can withdraw it. Okay, I'll share the link in the description, guys. Just download the app and register it and unlimited Bndx coin. Okay, this coin also will get big hype in future, so don't miss it out. Okay, just download the app and start mining and unlimited coins daily, guys. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in another great video.